Thank you for choosing Tyne Valley Motorhomes to buy your new motorhome. Today we're just going to be showing you how the automatic levelling system operates on the Tracker LB. This particular self-leveling system is a Marvey. They all operate in a very similar way. So the way in which we would do this is just by simply pressing the power button. You'll see that it all illuminates. Now to automatically lower and to self-level, all we do is press the down button. As you can see, it's telling us now that the front jacks are coming down, and once it levels, it'll then illuminate in the center to let us know that everything is level. So there we can see the front jacks are just going down into place, and then once that is complete, it'll then begin with the rear. And then that will complete the levelling process. As you can see now, the rear jacks are coming down, and this is all part of the process, so nice and easy. Once the system is actually self-leveled, it'll just simply show you with a green illuminated light on the right hand side. As we take a look, you can see that both jacks are, or all four jacks are firmly located, and your last rear jack is just located behind the rear wheel. It really is a very simple thing to do, and again it means now that the motorhome is completely stable and completely level. So if it's windy through the evening, it won't rock, it won't bounce. And then to retract the system, again, very easy. Again, on the control panel, press the up button. No, it's gone to sleep mode. Reactivate it. So I can see now everything's illuminated, just to show that it is level. And then press the up button. And that just retracts all of the jacks. As you can see, everything's going up. Once that operation is complete, the motorhome is then free to drive.